Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing or rather removing from the pouch the GS GOLDSTEIN Star Wireless Bluetooth headset magnet earphone with hands-free calling. Now the package is clean and clear. You don't get anything else. This does not come in a box. So we've gone ahead and opened up the Amazon store listing page for the product. So we'll go ahead with the unboxing by simply removing it from the pouch. You get the earphones, which is conforming to the neckband form factor. You can find the control pod on one part or rather one half of the cable. The backside also happens to be magnetized, as you can see. Along with the earphones, you also find the charging cable, which is a short 10 centimeter long micro USB cable. On the other hand, you have, or rather on the other end, you have a Type A port. In order to understand the specifications, we'll just go through the store listing page. So this is a Bluetooth headset. That's kind of obvious. Coming to the descriptions, we see that this thing uses Bluetooth version 4.1 and that gives it a range of up to 10 meters. It has a built-in lithium poly battery and that gives you about 2 to 3 hours of music playback time. And again, it's the same thing being mentioned again. Excellent battery performance. The built-in lithium poly battery gives you about 2 to 3 hours of music playing time. So this was a short and sweet unboxing video of the GS GOLDSTEIN Star Wireless Bluetooth headset. Thank you for watching.